Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Indian Railway application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on change app language, which is the third option, and here you can see the default language, so you can select from two options, tap on the relevant one and click on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen, and then the language of the whole application will be updated automatically, so feel free to change it anytime you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.